This video is about OHIM, the Office for the Harmonization in the Internal Market, or sometimes called the EU Trademark Office. First things first, as of 23rd of March 2016, the office will no longer be called OHIM, but rather the European Union Intellectual Property Office. Also, the Community Trademarks, or CTMs, will then become the EU Trademarks, or European Union Trademarks. The EU Regulation 2015-2424 will also lead to other changes that I will cover in a future video. The office is located in beautiful Alicante in Spain, where other people spend their holidays, and is headed by António Campinos. It was formed in 1994 to allow for the administration of designs and trademarks in the whole EU. Since then, community trademarks, CTMs, have become very popular, and as a result, national filings in some countries have dropped dramatically. Besides the registration of trademarks and designs, the office also provides some other very useful services. TMView is a database to search for trademarks worldwide. So this database does not only cover EU trademarks or CTMs, but also trademarks of all member countries and trademarks from all over the world, like trademarks from the US, from Mexico, from China, from Japan, from Switzerland, and from many other countries. And one cool thing is that you can not only search for identical trademarks, so for example, if you want to search for marimba as a trademark, you can also search for similar trademarks. So the result will be probably marumba or maremba or something like that. TMView is another database that allows you to search for designs in the EU, in China, in the US, and many other countries. Then there is another database, TM which is very useful. It has all the allowed terms of goods and services. So if you use this database, you can be sure that your trademark will not be rejected for having any terms that are not accepted by the office. And one very useful subset is TM5, where the 5 most important trademark offices in the world agreed on a certain set of goods and services. So if you use these goods and services, your trademark will not be refused for that reason in China, in the US, in Japan, and Korea, and the EU. OHIM is also hosting the EU Observatory, which is dedicated to enforcement of IP rights, fight against counterfeits, and education of the public. Another very useful event that is hosted by OHIM is the EU Judges Symposium. Judges from all different kinds of courts in the EU member states, from the European Court of Justice and other officials of the EU member states, are discussing any trademark law related matters such as absolute grounds or relative grounds or harmonization of the laws. And this has turned out to be a very helpful event to harmonize the case law among the different countries. Also, make sure to check out the YouTube channel of the OHIM, OHIM. I hope you enjoyed this brief overview of OHIM, the Office of the Harmonization in the Internal Market. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, leave your comments and questions below this channel, and as always, reap your ideas.